Welcome back, y'all. We are in the grocery store getting our dinner. Probably gonna do.
I got one of them roasts. I got me a roast.
Also, probably gonna do a cook with me. I'm sorry, I looked away, but my husband was talking to me and I didn't know what he was talking about. But yeah, so he's gonna get a roast, and I'm gonna get some utensils, and he's gonna cook up a steak. We're gonna do a salad, and I'm gonna make a dip. Yes, I am. So that's what we're doing in this video. It's all about food. This video is all the things about food. So that's what we're doing. So so far this is what we have. We have this roast that's on sale. We're getting that. We got my sour cream. I'm gonna make a dip. We got our potato toppings for the baked potato and the ranch for the salad. And then I'm going to be having these chicken bites, but I want to make a special dip for it. And then my husband over here, he's trying to get them to cut him a steak. Which steak did you pick?
I got me a good one. About $22.
You have it. I don't have it.
I thought I gave it back to you.
No, I don't have it. So you're getting one of these? Like that one?
I'm getting me a porterhouse, yeah. 11 now.
You only one way.
You gotta go to work till 10 or what?
We'll have to check out.
Man,
Just gonna let it take me where it wants to go.
hey, you making money, man.
Can I also get a box of Marvel Ultralight shorts?
Yes.
Thank you.
Just one, right?
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people don't work.
Yes, sir.
They want free money. They want free money.
That's true.
Plates you ought to start eating on them.
I didn't buy those plates. Those plates were given to me. I was gonna. You got the potato out?
No problem now. Where's my phone at, dear? That ain't cool, man. I lost my phone. Oh, this will be live, cause if you see it, it blinks. You better stay up here real quiet. Ain't gonna get too hot right here.
Yeah.
Over here. Just stay right there. Hey, quiet kid. Let's get a little warm on it.
Tell you what it's all about.
A little warm it up. Cause you can do tripod.
You can put a fence around.
Hey, quiet kid.
You get caught around.
Let's get a little warm on
I
it.
tell you what it's all about.
A little warm it up. Cause you can do tripod.
You can put a fence around.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. So the steak's done, the potato's done, the salad's done, everything's done, and this video is officially done.